everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be testing out the brand new Huda Beauty Tan Tour. I thought the idea of this was so cool. I thought it was very clever and quite unique. So this is meant to be a hybrid between a bronzer and a contour in a cream form. So this is what the actual component looks like. Really sleek, very on brand for Huda Beauty, that's for sure. Yeah, so this is what it looks like inside. It says on the top here, tan and tone. Love that. So I ended up picking up the shade, oh, what was this, light. So I did initially want the shade fair. For some reason I clicked light, so hopefully this will work. It does look, honestly, it probably looks slightly more warmer on camera than what it does in person. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that this will work for me. Now, I do currently have the Huda Beauty foundation on today. So this is in the shade Cashew 140. And to be honest with you guys, it is definitely a little bit on the light side for me. And also I feel like it might be a little bit on the yellow side as well. Definitely on the light side, that's for sure. This is a very full coverage foundation. Now, if you guys have, you know, been following me for quite some time, you would be aware that I rarely do wear a very full coverage foundation. I normally stick to medium to light coverage. So yeah, like basically all of my freckles are just gone. So yeah, this is a very intense foundation for me to wear, that is for sure. And I also have got my, what have I got on under my eyes? I have the Overachiever Huda Beauty Concealer as well in the shade Marshmallow. I have used this quite regularly on my channel as well. I do really like this product. Again, it's probably a little bit on the lighter side for me and my complexion, but I just really like it. And I'm going to keep using it even though I got a shade that was probably slightly too fair, but I love it, so whatever. Alright, now what I'm going to do to use this product is I'm going to go ahead and first use this brush here. So this is part of the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collaboration. This is the JH10 brush. I really like this brush for sculpting and contouring because, as you can see, it is quite thin and it is angled. So I really like it for contouring with. Just to give you guys a comparison, so this one here is the Morphe Y12 brush. Very similar, but as you can see, it's definitely more thicker and denser, and also too, it's basically just, it goes straight across as opposed to this one that has a nice little curve to it. So yeah, I am going to go ahead and use this brush to start with and literally just start to carve everything out. I'm really nervous, to be honest, guys. I don't know why, it's just, I am. Okay, I feel like I have a decent amount on this brush, so whew. Does anyone else do this when they contour? Or is it just me? I don't know. Alright. I also like literally feel where my bone is, just to make sure I get it in the right spot. Oh! Are they like... Okay. Well, that was interesting. As I was. I always get, like, my sideburns are so long, honestly. I don't know if there's like literally nothing I can do about it. I know this, but still. I'm telling you guys, whenever I start filming, it's like my entire family have got like a radar, like, Victoria's filming, and like we have to contact her, we have to interrupt her in some way, shape or form. She's filming. Like literally every time. Okay, I'm fine. Going back to the whole tan tour moment we're having right now. Okay, so, and apparently this stuff is really fast drying, so that's gonna be interesting. You know what I'm saying. I'm just gonna bring a little bit around here. Pretend like I have a jawline. Okay, so for my nose, I'm just going to use this one here. This is again by Morphe. It is the M3 brush. I just like it because of how thin it is. So I'm just going to quickly sculpt. Okay, so I'm going to start blending this out now, and to do that I'm just going to use my sponge to start with on this side, and we'll see how it goes. So far I have to say I really like the colour as well of this. Like, it's not a bad colour at all. This is definitely fast drying, like, oh my lord. Now I'm just going to quickly I'm going to use my MAC, what is this, 130 brush, and just see how it reacts with a blending sort of buffer brush. I have to say so far I'm really liking this. I definitely want to use a little bit more of the product though, so I'm just going to take some of it on my MAC, again the same brush that I was using to blend before, and I'm just, oh that's a lot. But I just kind of want to use some more basically. Okay, so far I have to tell you guys I'm really liking this product. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. But I actually think this is kind of the perfect colour. I think that light might have been too light for me, if I'm being honest. Like, just looking at it in the monitor and also in the mirror here, I think that it's a really nice shade. I still do feel like my foundation, as I was saying before, is a little bit on the light side, but I do feel like, you know, after I've used this contour product, it really has sort of brought it all together, which I'm very pleased with. So yeah, so far I have to say I'm feeling really good about this. So what I think I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and set my under eye with some powder, put a little bit more bronzer on as I normally would. I'll probably end up using the Marc Jacobs one because I just want to see how this all, you know, sits together on my face with all the other products that I normally use. And yeah, I'm going to come straight back and give you guys my final thoughts.
You filming?
Yes.
Were you about to start then?
Yes.
Okay, sorry. I'm just trying to... Better to do it now than when you actually start.
Aye. Okay guys, so I am back. The rest of my makeup is done. And look, at the moment I have to say I'm enjoying this look. I like how the contour is looking. Maybe it's a little unblended on this side still. Oh, let's fix that. But no, look, honestly, I am feeling pretty good about how this is all looking. I do feel really good about the colour. I am actually super happy that I ended up getting the light shade as opposed to the fair shade. So yeah, very happy with that. So yeah, look, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and do a bit of a wear test. So I do have a couple of errands and things I've got to run today. So I might do a check-in if I get the chance to. If not, I'm just going to come home at the end and turn the camera on and let you guys know my final thoughts. But at this point in time, so far so good. I am really enjoying how this is all looking. And yeah, I guess I will either check in with you very soon or I'll see you at the end of today. And I'm back. I didn't get a chance to do any check-ins today, guys. I literally was just look at my little nails now. These are all like, look how pretty they are. They're stick-on. Sorry, I'm easily distracted. Yeah, I did not get a chance to do any check-ins today because I literally was just ran off my feet. However, I am back. It has been a good 8 hours worth of wear. And I have to say, so far, I'm feeling pretty good about the contour. Like, I think it's lasted really nicely. It hasn't moved my foundation at all. It's blended really nicely into the foundation that I had on. The foundation itself has kind of started to come away around my chin area. and around my nose, which to be honest always seems to happen no matter what full coverage foundation that I'm wearing for the day. This always happens. But yeah, look, other than that, I think for 8 hours worth of wear, I'm still looking pretty good. I'm still looking pretty tan. And yeah, look, overall I have to say I really enjoyed this product. I think it is a really great investment. So yeah, I mean, look, I probably won't end up going to get the light shade now because I think, sorry, the fair shade, because I think the light shade really was quite perfect for me. But I will continue to sort of use this, test it out on other foundations to see how it works. I think it'll work just fine, to be honest with you guys. And yeah, I think this has become my new favourite cream contouring product. So if you guys liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have subscribed, be sure to hit the bell to be notified when I upload next. And yeah, I guess that's everything for this video today, guys. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.